A legal win today for a deputy charged with manslaughter in the shooting death of a man who was carrying an unloaded air rifle. The judge agreeing to consider releasing the victim's medical history. Local 10 investigator Amy Viteri joins us live now to explain why that is so crucial to his defense. Amy.
Well, Victor, Peter Peraza's attorneys say just a week or so before the shooting, Jermaine McBean had been admitted to a facility for mental health issues. And the day he was killed, he was actually trying to buy a shotgun, but because the store didn't have any, he bought that pellet gun instead. Now, McBean's family says, health issues aside, he did nothing on that day to provoke this deadly shooting, and this is yet another violation of his rights.
He gets released from a hospital, a mental hospital, and he goes in to buy a shotgun. They want to say he's fine.
Because you just can't shoot and kill somebody, then illegally search their house, and then illegally search their phone, and then want to go get their psychiatric records.
Both sides in complete disagreement over whether the health information of Jermaine McBean has anything to do with why BSO deputy Peter Peraza shot and killed him in July of 2013.
Well, there were certain aspects of his own actions that, again, led me to believe he was either in some form of mental crisis, or he should have at least known his actions were going to cause people to call 911.
BSO homicide detective John Curcio testified McBean's actions, carrying what appeared to be a rifle as he walked down the street, were intentionally reckless. Investigators found prescription medication for mental illness inside McBean's apartment, but the state says investigators had no warrant, and McBean's family says he did nothing wrong before the shooting.
I think he's on a fishing expedition. He killed my son and trying to get away with it.
Deputies were called to the complex after 911 calls of a man carrying a rifle. The rifle turned out to be an unloaded pellet gun. When McBean ignored commands to drop the gun, Peraza shot, killing him. His family argued McBean was wearing earbuds at the time and never heard officers.
Just because the gun isn't a real gun versus fake, that doesn't change the threat level. This is a case about a deputy that was defending himself.
He shot him and he needs to be held responsible for it.
And the attorney for the McBean family said again today there have never been any witnesses from the complex who have confirmed that McBean ever pointed that gun at deputies and that search of his apartment revealing those medications was not legal. With that said, the judge will now be reviewing McBean's medical history to determine what could be made public. We're live at the Broward County Courthouse. Amy Viteri, Local 10 News.